Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. Well, today guys, I'm really excited to share part 2 of my Facebook Marketplace Buffet and Hutch makeover for Christmas 2024. I hope you enjoy.
I got all this joy in my heart, and if it's getting dark, yeah, we can go.
So I started first of all by removing everything from the hutch, and you'll notice here guys that it is quite an orange stain, which is what I really didn't like because it doesn't really go with the rest of my decor in my home. Now you've seen me use this product before, but I like to go in with furniture pieces and make them over with this French chic paint. Now what you do here is you just take the Creme de la Creme paint, paint it over the top, and then you're going to go in with some browning wax and wait till you see the lighter stained look guys. I really love using this product, especially on things that have a very orange tone.
The fire is burning bright, and the snow is falling down. Honey, what you need in your arms, that whole world disappears. 'Cause when I'm feeling down, you're there to love me right. Nothing compares to this, it's such a bliss, my only wishes. I don't need any presents, 'cause I'm not.
So here it is with the very first coat guys. I ended up going in with 2 coats and I did the shelves as well as the top of the buffet. Now I tend to use an old sock when it comes to using furniture wax guys. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the old sock and wax all over all the shelves as well as the top of the buffet. Now this is the first coat and I was already in love guys. It instantly uplifted all those orange tones. Now you'll notice here I didn't tape up at the back. You can see some paint lines there. The reason I did that is I'm going to go in and put this beautiful toil wallpaper at the back. Now this is that beautiful peel and stick wallpaper guys that I used in my bedroom makeover, and it was so easy to put on. I was instantly in love and I knew that it was going to go perfectly in this hutch. Now of course I wasn't finished there guys. You know I use these beige check tablecloths from Kmart on many DIYs and I use them for fabric throughout my home. What I did is I decided to make a beautiful skirt all around the bottom of the buffet. So what I'm doing here is I've just cut the tablecloth in half. I'm using the very top of it and I'm just going to hot glue a hem and make it into a skirt with some hooks as well as some craft wire.
Until he looked my way, I used to be blue, now I'm brand new, all wrapped up in red. I keep on dreaming of his face, he just melts my heart away. I'm all glittery 'cause he makes it feel like Christmas every day. Now the winter's here to stay, all I want is his embrace. Maybe it's crazy, but he makes it feel like Christmas every day. Dear Santa, hug me through the sparkly winter night. He starts up a Christmas tree with every jingle bell. I know if only me.
So guys, I was going for a very neutral palette here. I wanted the hutch to look very French provincial and have that neutral palette that I could add any style of decor. Now basically I just shopped my own home. I found things that I thought would look amazing on the hutch. I kept the Christmas decor very minimal here and you'll see why when I share the reveal.
Stay, all I want is his embrace. Maybe it's crazy, but he makes it feel like Christmas every day. I wait under
beautiful gold wall sconces that I actually had in a spare room, and I bought them out here and put them on either side of the hutch. Now I haven't had them hardwired yet, guys, but I'll have my electrician out here very soon, and I can't wait to see it all lit up.
It's crazy, but he makes it feel like Christmas every day. I've been here waiting all day. Santa, are you on your way? Mistletoe under the way. Feel like Christmas every day. I've been here waiting all day. Santa, are you on your way? Mistletoe I see the candles come as the year gone by. All thrive for perfection now, and consumption so high.
Guys, I absolutely love how my Facebook marketplace Buffet and Hutch came. Just by taking a few simple ideas and some easy painting techniques, I was able to transform this on a really simple budget.
I don't need the present, she's wishing for snow, and some company by news that I hold close. So Christmas, no need to be perfect, just don't wanna be here alone. I don't wanna be here alone.
I really wanted to tap into that really vintage glam feel about this Buffet and Hutch. I love adding my little glam touches as well as that beautiful wallpaper. I just feel like this entire Buffet and Hutch needed that wallpaper.
That's okay with me, as long as you're here. I know it's cold outside, but give me.
Now you will notice that I didn't paint on the inside walls of the hutch. I chose to leave that the same colour, guys. I liked the combination of the two colours that I put together.
I don't need the present, she's wishing for snow, and some company by news that I hold close. So Christmas, no need to be perfect, just don't wanna be here alone.
I've always been a savvy shopper, guys, and I love doing DIY projects and bringing things back to life. Now, I've really wanted a Buffet and Hutch forever, but buying them brand new was going to cost me over $2,000, and I found this on Marketplace for just $100, guys. It had the best bones. It had a French provincial feel about it, and I really loved it. My husband actually bought this for me for my birthday, and I was able to transform it on a budget.
Tell me how's life, time really fast, can't believe it's been like 6 months already. How's your family now?
Now, by putting the little curtain around the bottom of the buffet, I'm able to just pull it across, guys, if I wanted to access the doors where my storage is. But I really love how pretty it looks with the little curtain.
The snow's falling down, and just for a while, it's like you were mine again. Darling, I want you to hold me. You and I were never over. My only wish this Christmas is that you come back
much for watching, guys. I really hope you've enjoyed the video. I'll be back next week for more videos here at Chelle's Glam Home.